Come on. Y'all out here wearing purple jeans, the jeans I got, they say a mirror. Your pockets full of lint, you're broke as fuck, you need help severely. I blew the Drake and had my ears ringing, it's fucking up my hearing. In 60 years, you'll touch a meal, I do more than that yearly. I done robbed and took from so many hymns, they wanna kill me. I be saying rich shit in all my songs, you don't feel me. I got a top lawyer, I catch a case, I'm not guilty. I sit back and pay for hats and drop the paper off, that's the drill fee. It's 2024, and you still don't got a TV in your room. He was reaching for my chain, the last thing he heard was boom. I died reaching for a chain, make sure to write that on his tomb. You're still piss poor, you got your son wearing Fruity Loops. I'm rich in real life, I don't gotta rap. I'm the one who get rap niggas on battle rap. Stop making shit up in your songs, you don't gotta hack. I'm on a bank run right now, hitting back to back. I would've killed my own homie if I found out he was a rat. I